Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually use social media to promote your product. So using social media to promote your mini importation business. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I am Gaza Elisha and I help entrepreneurs like you start and grow their mini importation business. Today we will be diving into one of the most powerful tools at your disposal, social media. In this video, I will show you how to effectively use social media to promote your mini importation business and derive more sales. Let's get started. Why is social media the key? First of all, why social media? Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp have billions of users combined. That means your potential customers are already there. It's the easiest, most effective, cost-effective way to get your product in front of their right audience. Now you can engage directly with customers, build your brand, and create a loyal community. So guys, why not uh, begin to use social media to promote your product, your money importation product? Now remember that in my subsequent video, I talk about how you can actually use social media to build your brand. So number two is choosing the right platform. Not all platforms are created equal. The key is to find where your target customers hang out the most. For example, if you are selling fashion items or accessories, Instagram is perfect because it's image driven. If you are selling tech gadgets or home appliances, Facebook groups can be very effective. For personal interaction, WhatsApp works best for instant response and trust building. So why you should use social media to promote your brand. Number three is creating engaging content. Next, let's talk about content. People on social media love engaging. That means they love posting, they love being replied to, they love their messages being read and then replied back. High quality content is one of the most important key on building your brand on social media. This includes products, photos, videos, and testimonials. You can showcase product unboxings, customer reviews, or even create how-to videos demonstrating how your product works. So most times when you have shipped your product down here in Nigeria, it is important that you unbox the product, showing it, demonstrating it on a video, and then posting it. It helps your customer to trust you, to know that yes, you are unique and then you are loyal. So uh one this is one of the process of building your brand on social media. Don't just post generic images. Make your content related and authentic. So do not just post anyhow content. Do not just post anyhow things on your social media. Make sure that your content are related and that your content are genuine. The number four is that you leverage influencers and paid ads. Yes, one of the fast way of growing on social media is to use paid ad. Now you can actually create a Facebook ad to actually sell your product to millions or thousands of people online. Now, when you want to grow on social media, I know consistent posting on social media is the key, but you will actually grow on a slow rate if you depend on just uh, posting on social media without either leveraging on paid ads. That means if you want to grow your page or your profile easily, the best way is to use the paid platform. So another great strategy is influencer marketing. Just like I said, micro influencers with a niche audience can help you reach your target customers. Also, don't shy away from paid ads. Just like I have said, paid ads are very important. With paid platforms like Facebook and Instagram, you can run targeted ads based on location, interest, and behaviors, making sure your products get in front of the right eyes. So it's important to make use of or leverage on influencers. The fifth one is building relationships and community engagement. Now, social media is just not about selling. That's one thing you must notice or you must know. That social media is not just about selling of your product, posting of content. It's about engagement or engaging with followers. So respond to comment, host Q&A sections, run polls, or giveaways. When customers feel a personal connection to your brand, they are more likely to buy and become repeated or repeat customers. So when you host uh, when you want to sell your products online, you want to grow on social media, do not just leverage on the fact that you post consistently or you use Facebook ads. I know all these things are important, but build a relationship by commenting, engaging, maybe carrying out Q&A, doing giveaway. This helps to build your audience and authentic. Number six is consistency and analytics. Now, lastly, consistency is key. Posting regularly keeps your brand at the top of people's mind. Use social media analytics tools to monitor what's working and what's not. Platforms like Instagram and Facebook have built-in insights to track engagement so you can optimize your strategies for better results. So, when you are using this platform, make sure that you leverage on posting consistently. Make sure you leverage on that. Insight helps you to know who is engaging with your brand, who is engaging with your page, who is engaging with your profile.
So it is important that you learn all these skills that I have mentioned. Now this will help you to grow on your social media and to be able to sell your mini importation product. Don't forget that importing from China is very easy, and all you just need to do is to go over to my channel and check my videos, and you will see the videos I have created on how you can shop or buy from 1688 even without an agent. You can actually do that at the comfort of your home because the video is detailed and it explains everything you need to know. So if you found this video valuable, please do make sure you hit the you like this video, you subscribe, and then you hit the notification bell because this motivates me to create new video. So thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you.